Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. We're already 2 months into this new year. I hope it's going well for all of you. Today's episode is songs that have been sung by child singers. What used to happen, and still does actually to a large extent, is the music directors would have female singers sing for children, like Lata ji, Asha ji, Suman ji in Hindi movies, or S. Janaki, P. Sushila, and so on for Southern movies. However, some music directors would take children, actual children, to sing for children. They are very, very few and far between. I had to do a lot of hunting to find a few of these songs. To begin with, it's a song from a movie called Masoom. Not Shekhar Kapoor's Masoom, which came out in the 80s. This was in 1960. It is actually a remarkably overlooked movie. It is available on YouTube, so I would encourage you to watch it. The main stars of the movie are 3 children. Two of them from the Irani family. Sarosh, who was Honey and Daisy Irani's brother. Honey Irani, who plays his younger sister in the movie. And a young child star called Aziz, who plays the middle brother. Manmohan Krishna plays the father. The kids have lost their mother, and unfortunately they lose their father as well. So they're orphaned, and these 3 young kids are alone in the world. And the oldest son, played by Sarosh Irani, gives up his younger siblings for adoption. It's remarkable how well these kids have acted. They are so natural. It speaks to the director of the movie, who's handled these children so beautifully, allowed them to handle these scenes as best as they think. And these children are remarkably composed, very, very mature in the way they present themselves. Honey Irani and her sister Daisy have been huge favorites of mine. They're adorable, so natural in the movies. The music for this movie was by Robin Banerjee, and the lyrics were written by Raja Mehdi Ali Khan. The song that I want to share is one that's been sung by Hemant Das' daughter, Ranu Mukherjee. She must have been maybe 6 or so, maybe a little younger, I don't know. She was very young when she sang this song. It is so natural. It's exactly like how a child would sing. And the scene is picturized on Honey Irani singing this little song and, acting it out. She is just adorable. From Masoom, Nani Teri Morni Ko Mor Le Gayi.
Nani teri morni ko mor le gayi, baki jo bacha tha kale chole gaye. Nani teri morni ko mor le gayi, baki jo bacha tha kale chole gaye.
Aa Gale Lag Ja came out in the early 70s. It was a love triangle with Shashi Kapoor, Shatrughan Sinha, and Sharmila Tagore in the lead. The child who plays their son, that is Sharmila Tagore and Shashi Kapoor's son, is Tito Khatri. And the story is these two get married against her father's wishes. Her father is sort of sabotaging this relationship right from the beginning. She gets pregnant and he takes her away to deliver the baby. And she has the baby, but he lies to her saying, the baby has died. Meanwhile, he gives the baby to the father, to Shashi Kapoor, and he's made it very clear that This woman doesn't want to have anything to do with him. So there's this whole misunderstanding between the two and a lot of bitterness and so on. And then in the end, of course, everything is resolved. Shatrughan Sinha plays her love interest later on. And it was an entertaining movie. All the actors were great. The music was fantastic in this movie. R.D. Burman with Sahir Ludhianvi's lyrics. Very sweet, romantic songs. And this particular song is sung, it's a tandem song actually. Kishore Kumar sings this solo when he's romancing Sharmila Tagore early on in the movie. And later on, almost towards the end, the son sings it and then the father joins in. So the person singing the role of the son's voice is Purnima Shrestha, who went on to become Sushma Shrestha, and she also sang adult playback as well. So the song from Aagale Lag Ja, Tera Mujhse Hai Pehle Ka Naata Koi.
तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई जाने तू या जाने ना माने तू या माने ना देखो अभी खोना नहीं कभी जुदा होना नहीं देखो अभी खोना नहीं कभी जुदा होना नहीं अब के यूं ही मिले रहेंगे दोनों वादा रहा ये इस शाम का जाने तू या जाने ना ओ माने तू या माने ना तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई
Ginny or Johnny was a Mahmood Saab movie. It starred him and his little daughter Ginny. The story is that he was in the US visiting some family, at which time he watched the movie Paper Moon. He was so struck by this movie, he wanted to remake it in Hindi, and he did as Ginny or Johnny. It was a huge hit. It also had a massive star cast of, a lot of famous people acted in it as well. Music for this movie was by Rajesh Roshan with Majroo Saab writing the lyrics. And a very, very young Vijayta Pandit has sung playback for the little girl Ginny. There are, I think, 3 songs by Vijayta Pandit in the movie. The one I'm sharing is a duet, Kishore Kumar and Vijayta Pandit. So from Ginny or Johnny, Sun Jinniya Are Ja.
सुन जिनिया
अरे जा
सुन जिनिया नहीं करूँगा अब गलती जो तू न रूठे रे कभी नहीं करूँगा अब गलती जो तू न रूठे रे कभी
होता छूट जाए आदत ना छूटे रे कभी
हो सुन जिनिया
अरे जा
नहीं करूँगा अब गलती जो तू न रूठे रे कभी
होता छूट जाए आदत
Meenu. This was a movie that came out in 1977, completely child-centered. The story is about this little girl, Meenu, who wants a sibling. She wants a little brother. And she keeps begging her parents for one, and then finally her mother does get pregnant. Sadly, the mother and the baby die. The father goes on to remarry, and Meenu is not happy at all about the situation. She cannot accept her stepmother, so she wants to run away. When she is running off in the village, she finds an abandoned infant. She, for some reason, is convinced that this baby is actually her little brother, and her mother has somehow vanished somewhere. So she grabs this kid and comes running home with it. She's scolded roundly by everyone for doing so. So she runs away with the baby and decides to go to the city and look for her mother. How she manages, in the city, honestly, keeping this little infant alive, it's remarkable. The movie, it was kind of cute. I would say watch it. What the heck? The music for the movie was by Salilda, with Yogesh Gaur writing the lyrics. And all the songs for Meenu were sung by Salilda's young daughter, who must have been about 6 at the time, Antara. The kid who acted as Meenu was a little girl called Baby Munmun. And on the screen, the song that I want to share is picturized on Anwar Hussain singing with Baby Meenu. They're singing in the streets to make money. Playback is Manada with Antara Chaudhary. From Meenu, Teri Galiyon Mein Hum Aaye.
तेरी गलियों में हम आए,
तेरी गलियों में हम आए,
तेरी गलियों में हम आए, तेरी गलियों में हम आए, दिल ये अरमानों भरा लाए, हमसे हो जाए करम हाय जो तेरा, अपनी किस्मत भी संवर जाए जरा।
तेरी गलियों में हम आए, तेरी गलियों में हम आए, दिल ये अरमानों भरा लाए, हम पे हो जाए करम हाय जो तेरा, अपनी किस्मत भी संवर जाए जरा।
तेरी गलियों में हम आए, जिंदगी तेरी बहारों में मुस्काए सदा, तेरे दामन को न छू पाए गम की हवा।
जिंदगी तेरी बहारों में मुस्काए सदा, तेरे दामन को न छू पाए गम की हवा।
हम गरीबों की लगे तुझको दुआ,
तेरी गलियों में हम आए, तेरी गलियों में हम आए,
दिल ये
अरमानों भरा लाए, हम पे हो जाए करम हाय जो तेरा,
अपनी किस्मत भी संवर जाए जरा। तेरी गलियों में हम आए।
Bhagyavanta. This was a Kannada language film. It starred the great Dr. Rajkumar's youngest child, Puneet Rajkumar, though he was given credit in the movie by his birth name of Lohit, Master Lohit. He was very young when this movie was made, probably about 6 or so. He was the main star of the movie. Bhagyavanta means the lucky one, which is an ironic name in this movie because this child is considered to be a very unlucky, kind of an unfortunate child. And this actually was a remake of a Telugu movie called Ma Gopi by the same director, B.S. Ranga. The music director for the movie was T.G. Lingappa, with Uday Shankar writing the lyrics. Puneeth Rajkumar himself has sung this song in the movie. From Bhagyavanta, Banadariyalli Surya Jari Hoda.
ಬಾನದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಜಾರಿ ಹೋದ ಚಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ ಮಿಣಗುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ ನೋಡು ಎಂತ ಚಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಲಗು ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಂದ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಂದ ಬಾನದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಜಾರಿ ಹೋದ ಚಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ ಮಿಣಗುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ ನೋಡು ಎಂತ ಚಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಲಗು ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಂದ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಂದ ನೀನಾಡೋ ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ಜೇನಿನಂತೆ ನಗುವಾಗ ಮಗವೊಂದು ಹೂವಿನಂತೆ ನೀನಾಡೋ ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ಜೇನಿನಂತೆ ನಗುವಾಗ ಮಗವೊಂದು ಹೂವಿನಂತೆ ನೀನೊಂದು ಸಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಬೊಮ್ಮೆಯಂತೆ ಮಗುವೇ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣದಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣದಂತೆ ಬಾನದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಜಾರಿ ಹೋದ ಚಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ
The more popular Masoom, which came out in 83, was Shekhar Kapoor's directorial debut. He is such an awesome director. You can see this in his very first movie. When a director knows how to handle children, that I think is the true sign of a great director. He has done such a fantastic job with these three kids in the movie. The story is actually based on Eric Segal's book, Man, Woman and Child. Gulzar Saab wrote the screenplay and he also wrote the lyrics for all the songs in the movie. It's the story of infidelity in a marriage and how that sort of comes to a head when the illegitimate child comes into the picture. He comes to live with his father because the mother dies. Shabana Azmi, Nasiruddin Shah in the lead. And the children are Urmila Matondkar and Aradhana Srivastav play the legitimate children of this couple. And Jugal Hansraj, oh so sweet, plays the illegitimate child. It's very, very beautifully and sensitively portrayed. Of course, you have stellar acting from both Nasiruddin Shah and Shabana Azmi. The kids are fantastic. They've been, relatively left alone, other than maybe given their lines, I think. They're so natural. And, the little fights and the little getting back together again, and all of that is done so sweetly in the movie. Music for the movie was by R.D. Burman. And the three child singers are Vanita Mishra, Gauri Bapat and Gurpreet Kaur. So from Masoom, Lakdi Ki Kaathi.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में थाना आई घोड़े जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाई टकबक 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 घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में थाना आई घोड़े जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाई दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा
For our last song, we go to the south. A Tamil movie called Saivam. It starred Nasser and Sara Arjun as his granddaughter. Nasser, of course, is a phenomenal actor. And this little girl, Sara Arjun, is so good. She's very cute. So the movie is about how this young child converts the whole family to becoming vegetarian because she saves her pet rooster from being sacrificed. It's a very cute movie. It's worth watching if you haven't watched it. The music for the movie was by G.V. Prakash Kumar with the lyrics by N. Muthukumar. The child who sang the song in the movie in playback is Uttara Unnikrishnan. And she was only, I think, about 7 or 8 when she sang the song. You can see her prodigious talent even at that age. It's a very, very lovely song. From Saivam, Aragu Aragu.
Sa 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 ni sa ri sa pa ma ma da 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 sa ri pa pa sa 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 ni sa ri sa pa ma ma da 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 sa ri pa pa ga ma da ni sa ni ri sa அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே அன்பின் விழியில் எல்லாம் அழகு மழை மட்டுமா அழகு சுடும் வெயில் கூட ஒரு அழகு மலர் மட்டுமா அழகு விழும் இலை கூட ஒரு அழகு புன்னகை வீசிடும் பார்வைகள் அழகு வார்த்தைகள் தீர்க்கையில் மௌனங்கள் அழகு நன்மைக்கு சொல்லிடும் பொய்களும் அழகு உண்மை அதுதான் மெய்யாய் அழகு கமதனிசா நிரிசா கமதனிசா கரிசா குயில் இசையது பாடிட ஸ்வர வரிசைகள் தேவையா மயில் நடனங்கள் ஆடிட ஜதி ஒளிகளும் தேவையா நதி நடந்தே சென்றிட வழி துணைதான் தேவையா கடல் அலையது பேசிட மொழி இலக்கணம் தேவையா இயற்கையோடு இணைந்தால் உலகம் முழுதும் அழகு கவலையாவும் மறந்தால் இந்த வாழ்க்கை முழுதும் அழகு கமதனிசா நிரிசா அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே.
That's it for today, folks. If you know of other child singer songs, any language, please let me know. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who haven't, please go to YouTube and subscribe and spread the word amongst your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks. Until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.